everybody, hope you're all okay. Now, we've been playing with the A this week. The A is right here. A. We've got the letter name A there. A is for animals. Oh my goodness, I've completely forgotten. All of these animals have been really unwell. And I said, don't worry animals, I'll take you to the animal hospital. I haven't done it today. I've been so busy making the videos. I haven't even taken them to the animal hospital. Oh, don't worry animals. Maybe the children can help look after you. Have you got any animals, toy animals in your house that are not very well and you could help them feel better? Would you like to work at the animal hospital with me? You would? Oh, that's good. Okay, now, first of all, animals, I'm very sorry. I know you don't feel very well, but I'm just going to put you over here just to lay down and have a little rest. That's it. Just while we get our animal hospital all ready. Now, first of all, if we're going to work at an animal hospital, we're going to need a special animal carer hat. So I've got one here you can print off, but you could just make one yourself. I'm going to start off cutting out my picture of my hat. It's up to you how you do it. You might just like to use a long strip of card, a bit like this. And you could wrap it around your head and you'd be working as an animal carer, or you could use the picture like I've got right here. So I've got a strip here that you can cut out. I'm actually going to use this strip because it's sticky back. I'm going to attach animal carer to the top, and then I can wear my animal hat. Just like so. I'm an animal carer now. Now I've got my animal carer hat on, I could do with a stethoscope. Any of you have got a stethoscope or any doctor's kit, that would be really cool. But if you don't have a stethoscope like me, you could just use a couple of different pipe cleaners and see if you could make your very own stethoscope. I'm going to use this piece of tape, thread it through this roll of tape, sticky tape, and then I'm going to link together my pipe cleaners. Keep linking them together. Just be creative. See how you can make a stethoscope if you don't already have one. Now I've done that. I can wear that around my neck. Oops. And then I can even put it over my ears because that's how a stethoscope is worn over your ears. Okay, it's time to see how our animals are doing. Hello little doggy, are you not feeling very well? Oh dear, poor doggy. I think maybe he's got a headache. Let me check his... I'm just going to listen carefully to hear his heart. His heart's beating, that's good. I think you'll be okay. You might need some medicine. Let's just take my stethoscope off for a moment. I'm going to check and see mine in a minute and see if they actually need any medicine. Now, over here I've got some special bottles. These are going to be my medicine bottles. Now, if I'm going to make them medicine bottles, I'm going to need some medicine. I need to actually make sure I have got 4 bottles because I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 animals that are not feeling very well. So I have got 4 bottles and 4 animals. So I've got 1 bottle for each animal. I'm going to take myself some sticky labels and I'm going to write the letters that belong to the animals. So what letter can you hear, what sound can you hear at the beginning of the word dog? What can you hear? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. That's it. I can hear D. I'm going to write D on my sticky label. What about this animal? It's my lovely lion. What sound can you hear at the beginning of the word lion? Lion. That's right. We can hear the L. Let's see if this is the L for lion. That's it. I'm going to take another sticky label. What animal do I have here? Hello everybody. It's bear. What can you hear at the beginning of the word bear? That's right. B for bear. So I write out the B on my sticky label. B. And last of all, who's this? It's Rabbit. Say hello to the children, Rabbit. Hello. Are you not feeling very well, Rabbit? No. Oh, okay, don't worry, Rabbit. We'll help you feel better. So I'm now going to write down the sound I can hear at the beginning of rabbit. What can you hear at the beginning of rabbit? That's right. For rabbit. Now I've done that, I'm going to take my sticky labels and I'm going to stick them onto my bottles. R for rabbit. B for bear. L. Who begins with L? That's right, lion. And I've got D for, where is he? Dog. Okay, animals, now you're just going to have to wait in the waiting room until we are ready to see you. So I'm just going to move them all over. They've had a nice rest. Now they just need to wait in the doctor's waiting room before they can be seen at Animal Hospital. Okay, now I've got all my bottles ready. They've all got the correct letters on them that match the animals that we are going to be helping at the Animal Hospital. I'm going to take myself some tinfoil. If you've got actual magnetic letters, plastic letters, put the same letter in each bottle, or you could use pom-poms. I haven't got any of them, so I'm just going to take myself a piece of tinfoil about this size, roll it up loosely into a ball, and then take the lid off, put the ball inside, and put the lid back on. I don't want to make the lids too tight. This hand and eye coordination and this twisting is a really good way to build up muscles in the hand and the wrist. And all this building muscle really helps children become stronger. Super writers. Okay, the medicine is now in the bottles. I'm going to need some spoons. How many spoons do I need? I need 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to, you could write out the letters on your sticky labels and stick them to the spoons as well. That's one way of extending the learning. Okay, now let's see who's in the waiting room. Hello, hello, animals. Let me just check my clipboard and see who's next on my list. Is Rabbit in the waiting room? Rabbit, we need to see you. I think Rabbit's coming. I'm coming. Oh, hi, Rabbit. Are you not feeling very well today? No. Okay, let me check you over. To look in your ears. That's it. I'm going to just check you with my special stethoscope. Let's just have a check. Your heart's beating very fast. You might have high blood pressure. Oh, I think Rabbit's got a temperature. Okay, Rabbit, I'm going to have to give you your medicine. But which medicine do I need to use for Rabbit? Can anybody help me find the right medicine? Is it this one? Does rabbit begin with a B? Rabbit. No, it wouldn't begin with a B. If rabbit begins with a B, it would be a babbit. That's not right. Does rabbit begin with this sound? Rabbit. No, not the L. If rabbit begins with a L, the rabbit would be the labbit. No. What about this one? Do you think that's it? R for rabbit. Yeah, rabbit, this is your medicine. Okay, stay nice and still, little rabbit, just while I take off the lid. Have to take the lid off slowly. I find a spoon and then I pour my medicine carefully onto the spoon. I have to be very careful not to spill the medicine. Here we have to do really good spoon control, and then I can feed the rabbit. It's medicine. Okay, you can't have too much because you'll get a tummy ache if you have too much medicine. I pour it back into the bottle and put the lid on my medicine bottle. Are you feeling any better, Rabbit? Oh, that's good. Let's give Rabbit a cuddle. Shh, don't worry. Now, if you want to, you might even like to take your clipboard and write down what was wrong with Rabbit. Rabbit had a hot head. Rabbit had a temperature. Then you might even like to draw a picture of your rabbit, of your patient. Have lots of fun making the animals in your animal hospital better. What can you hear at the beginning of the word animal? Animal. That's right, it's the A. Have lots of fun, everybody. Goodbye.